This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
Now I'm going to share with you another option available in Google Forms with the help of which you can increase the difficulty for a person to share the answers of this quiz. So here we are in our quiz, and so just select one of the questions, and here when you just click this more option at the bottom you can find shuffle option order. So when you just click this one, what happens is that it will shuffle even the option order that you have added here. So doesn't it increase the difficulty for a person to share the answer? Of course, yes. We can shuffle the option order for the checkbox type of answers, multiple choice answers, and even for the drop down type answers.